What's going on, brothers and sisters? If you get it, you get it. We're coming back with a video today. We have trace more pairs of sneakers for unboxing. And we've got a pretty good variety today. We got just Jordans we're unboxing today, just because that's what I happen to be buying lately. Which is unfortunate because I'm repping Adidas today, but that's okay. Anyway, for our first sneaker of the day, a nice Jordan 1 Low. As you can see, this is the Jordan 1 Low in the shattered backboard colorway. And if I'm being completely honest with you guys, this is 100% the best sneaker, the best shoe that you could buy for 150 bucks or lower, in my opinion. And the best colorway right here. I actually couldn't tell you how much these cost because my sister bought them for me for my birthday. But when I sent her the link, they were about $120, $130 for size 9. And right now you can go on GOAT right now and find these for $140, $150 if you're like a 10. Depends on your size, but soon $140 and $150 if you're from size 7 to 10, 7 to 11. And for $140, $150, $120, however much you can find these for, this is one of the best quality Jordan 1s I've ever seen, I've ever felt. I'm not gonna lie. If you know the sneaker game, you know the Jordan game, you know that the shattered backboard 1 highs are known for the highest quality leather from a sneaker, especially for the Jordans. And the lows are still the same. Why they're so much cheaper, I'm not 100% sure. The prices have gone up in the last couple months, I've noticed. I think they're getting a lot more popular, but the leather right here on the toe, all the suede, the swoosh, it's such a clean look. It's such high quality. And if you like orange and you like that pop, the shoe is so dope. I can't wait to rep this in the summer. It's gonna be great. For sneaker number 2, we've got one that, in my opinion, is one of the most underrated sneakers of 2019. So this shoe came out in November of 2019, so it's a little bit older, but it hasn't had a ton of hype for some reason. And as you can see right here, I'm gonna grab both of them. We have the Jordan 4 in the What The colorway, and this is something that I was anticipating for a long time before they released. Unfortunately, I was not able to get them at retail, but I was able to just get these used. I bought them used for about $140 on GOAT, and they were a little dirty, and I cleaned them up, and now they look perfectly fine, good as new. And if you don't know what the Jordan 4 What Those are, these are a combination of 4 colorways, obviously. We have the white cement, the military blue, the fire red, and the black cement, all mixed in to 2 shoes. And I'm not gonna lie, these are so sick. I love all the different colors. They look different, they don't match, but they still look super clean and easily wearable, and you can match them with so much clothes. White clothes, black clothes, red clothes, blue clothes, it doesn't matter. It's gonna look good on your feet. And it's Jordan 4, it's already got the hype, it's got the comfort, and it's got very quality leather and quality design on it, as you can see. So this sneaker, I bought it for $140 on GOAT, which is really cheap, because if you bought these brand new, it'd be hard to get them for under 300 bucks, under 250 brand new. But if you want to buy them used, even that's around 200 bucks. But I was able to find a steal on GOAT, buy them for $140, use Reshoevnator to clean these up, and I can't wait to rock these all the time as soon as this quarantine's over. These are super sick. Just take a look at these. Super clean. And for the last box today, we've got something super sick, something that people have been anticipating for a long time. As you can see here, we got the Jordan 5 box, and you probably already know what this is if you keep up with Jordans. We have got the Jordan 5 Fire Red right here. Now, unfortunately, this is not my size. This is an 8.5, so I won't be able to really wear them. I might have to try them on just to show you guys how they look and how they feel on feet. But as you can see, this is just like the retro version of the Jordan 5 Fire Reds, and these are so clean. Just the white and the small hints of red on the Jumpman logo, on the sock line right here, on the Fire. It is so clean. And a lot of people say that Jordan 5s are the most comfortable Jordan. Some people say that about 5s, 3s, 4s. In all honesty, they're all super comfortable, but the 5s are definitely up there. These are super sick. And this shoe is something that you can find not for a lot over retail right now. The retail is $200 on these. I got these off the sneaker app, obviously, and you can probably buy them on retail for $250 or under, depending on your size. As always, link down in the description below. I'll drop links for StockX, maybe Goat as well for these ones. These ones are super coveted by a lot of people right now, and it just looks so clean. It smells so good. It looks good. I don't know what more you could want. This shoe is something that people have been waiting to retro for a while now. There's a lot of retro 1s, retro 5s, 3s, 4s, all of them that are starting to come out because of the quarantine and because money's starting to drop for everybody in the US right now. But these are something that I'm super glad to get a pair of. As some of you know, this shoe actually shock dropped when the first episode of The Last Dance came out, right at 6 o'clock. And unfortunately, I wasn't able to cop them then, but I was able to cop them when it released on May 2nd. Alright guys, so you guys are probably wondering about the giveaway by chance. We're going to do the exact same challenge for this video as we are for the last video. If this video or the last video or any other videos I do in the future get 5,000 views, just 5,000 views, we will announce a giveaway for free Yeezy's. Yes, legit Yeezy's. I'll buy them off of StockX or Goat. They'll be legit. That's it. Help me get there. We'll give away some Yeezy's. You'll have a good chance. Big Buckets out.